Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. What I've got here is a quick side-by-side comparison of two different Sharkbyte cameras. On the left is the Runcam Nano with the HDZero replacement higher quality lens. On the right is the Foxeer Digisight 2 Nano. It has a 1.7mm focal length lens. I've made no changes to the setup of the camera, no changes to color or sharpness or anything like that. It's just stock out of the box and being flown. The image on the left is flown on a 7-inch quad. The image on the right with the Foxeer is being flown on a 5-inch quad. Both were taken the same day, just an hour apart. For the image on the left, I'm using the 500 milliwatt dual stack transmitter. The image on the right for the Foxeer, I'm using the 200 milliwatt newer VTX. So take a look, you decide which you like better. Thanks for watching.